In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived projects on Asana in just 5 minutes. Asana is a powerful project management tool that many of us rely on to keep our teams organized and on track. Sometimes though, it can be a little tricky to navigate when you're trying to find archived projects. Whether you're trying to look back at previous work for insights, need to pull out past information, or simply want to get a sense of what has been completed, this guide will walk you step by step through the process. First, let's head over to the Asana website, which you can find at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, no worries, just click on Get Started or try for free to set up your account. This step is crucial as you need a workspace to locate archived projects. Once you're logged in, the next move is to enter your Asana workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Inside your workspace, you can collaborate with team members, track tasks, and of course find those archived projects we're interested in today. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar that lists all your active projects. This area is your central hub for project management, allowing you to easily navigate between different projects and tasks. Locate and click on Projects in this sidebar. Doing so will bring up an option to browse projects. This is your gateway to seeing both current and past projects that you've worked on. Brushing up on previous projects can really aid in understanding how your team's workflow has evolved over time. Next up, you'll want to click on the Status button. This drop-down menu is specifically designed to help you filter projects based on their current status. Here you'll find an option labeled Archive. Go ahead and click on it. This is the key step in unveiling your archived projects. Upon selecting Archive, you'll instantly see a list of all the projects that have been archived. These could range from completed projects that were wrapped up months ago to tasks that have been set aside for any number of reasons. Reviewing these can not only jog your memory, but also provide valuable insights into past workflows and decision-making processes. Remember, being able to access and review archived projects is an excellent way to reflect on past accomplishments or areas for improvement. It also ensures that none of the valuable information from your previous efforts goes to waste. With these steps, navigating Asana to find archived projects should now be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.